In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom website using Webflow. Let's dive in and take it step by step to ensure you can follow along with ease and create a stunning site of your own. First things first, head over to the Webflow website. Webflow is an intuitive, powerful visual editor that allows you to craft beautiful websites without needing to code. Once you're on the site, look for the sign up button, which lets you start for free. This is a great option if you're trying it out for the first time. You can either create an account using your email and password or conveniently sign in with your Google account. If you're going with an email, make sure to use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. After successfully creating your account, you'll need to navigate to the Webflow editor. The editor is where all the magic happens. You'll be able to add various elements to your site. Start by clicking on the Add Element option and choose to add a div block. Div blocks are versatile components for grouping content, and they act as containers for other elements. Next, you'll want to explore the Components section by clicking on it. Here, select the div block you've added, which will allow you to begin styling it. At this point, you may want to tweak some settings. Click on the Settings button and then head over to the Style tab where you can type in Pop-up. Once you've done that, click on the Pop-up option to integrate it into your site. Webflow offers plenty of customization options. Feel free to adjust the settings of the pop-up to fit your website's theme and functionality. To ensure it stays visible, click on the fixed setting, which secures the position of the element on your page. It's also wise to set a high index value like 99 to keep it at the forefront of your design. You can personalize your site further by choosing a background image, which brings us to our next step. Click on Choose Image, browse through your files and select the perfect image for your site. Ensure this aligns well with your overall design theme. The next thing to consider is how elements interact on your site. Click on the Interactions tab and add an element trigger. Opt for the mouse click or tap trigger to bring interactive life to your project. Select an action to start an animation and adjust the settings to enhance the user experience. By clicking on the loop option, you can make these animations continuous, providing a lively and engaging effect. Once you're happy with your creation, preview your website to see how it looks in real time. If everything checks out, it's time to share your design with the world. Click on Publish, select your desired domains, and hit Publish again. As a final step, don't forget to click on Close, and just like that, your custom-made Webflow site is live. Happy designing, and see you next time.